Are you looking for the best French press? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best French press on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall French press. The Secura stainless steel looks like your standard stainless steel press. Placing it side by side with some of the other models we tested, it's hard to tell the difference. Yet this press proved itself across a number of our challenges. For one, it scored among the highest in our taste and filtration tests. It also has one of the most insulated carafes and kept our coffee warm the longest. And the 34-ounce press, which was our test model, comes in a number of colors to match your kitchen palette and taste. At one point during testing, the lid fell off the counter, and the filter basket bent askew. Fortunately, it was easy to bend back, and the stainless steel is durable enough to take some abuse. It also lacks a certain style and flair exhibited by some other contenders, but if you find simplicity appealing, this press can be a nice addition to your collection. If you want something that brews an impressive cup but can still hold its own at brunch amid high-style tableware, the affordable Polyvire double wall comes in several attractive matte or mottled colors and features an eye-catching wooden handle. Material: stainless steel insulated, yes. Number 2. Best press for large groups. The Stanley Classic Stay Hot looks like a treasure you'd find in your grandparents' old camper that's been sitting in the lot since the 70s. The classic look has been draped over a press that's big enough to brew a morning cup for the entire camp. The simple yet effective single mesh filter design produced a clean cup with complex flavor no matter which bean we brewed. In fact, it was one of the top 3 selections in our public taste test. True to its name, the Stanley will keep your coffee warm for hours as you focus on the tasks at hand. It also beat out all other contenders in the insulation test. Depending on how much coffee you drink or how many coffee drinkers are sitting around the morning table, this may not be the press for you. Brewing at a ratio of 1.5 g/Oz, bean/water, which some would call a lighter ratio, it still takes about 2.5 ounces, 75 grams, of beans to brew a full pot. If you don't finish the pot, which makes 6 cups, that can add up to some serious waste, especially if, like us, you're using more expensive locally roasted beans. The Stay Hot is also about double the price of some of the cheaper options for a large press. That said, you get what you pay for, and with this press, you're paying for a clean and complex brew that will stay warm for hours and fill multiple cups and a classic design that harkens back to childhood family camping trips. Material: aluminum insulated, yes. Number 3. Most stylish French press. The insulated carafe is available in multiple colors to match your preference, and the teak wood handles will make it stand out and have your friends asking where you got such an elegant looking piece. Just don't tell them that it didn't cost you very much. Or do, because spreading the love of a good deal makes the world go round. This press also did well throughout our more serious tests. It kept our coffee warm longer than average, has decent filtration, is easy to use, and is made of quality materials. The wooden accents on the Polyvire require hand washing, which is a drawback depending on how much you enjoy that task. Also, be mindful enough not to drop the press as that might cause the wooden handle to snap. During our taste test, more sour, acids, and less sweet, carbohydrates, came through in the cup, but this was relatively subtle and may have something to do with the double mesh filters that come standard with this press. To be fair, you could remove one of the filters to experiment with the flavor profile. Number 4. Best glass press. The durable plastic lid firmly holds a metal rod that connects to Aspro's patented double micro mesh filter basket system. This press is super easy to use and presses so smoothly that it'll send shivers of satisfaction down your spine. This is due largely to the silicone gasket around the filter baskets that squeegees the glass clean all the way down. Due to the filter design, this press produced one of the cleanest cups of coffee out of all the competition. If you prefer more oils or body in your cup, the supreme filtration of the P3 can be a detriment. We found during our tests this press won't leave sludge behind, but it also removes some of the carbohydrates and acids that enhance flavor profiles, as well as about 8 ounces of liquid that get trapped under the filters. You can get it out if you pump the filter back and forth as you pour. The carafe also lacks insulation, so you need to either drink quickly or find some means of warming up your cup if you like it hot. For improved insulation and a richer flavor profile in your brew, consider the similarly priced Secura stainless steel or the pricier yet more stylish Polyvire double wall. Material: glass, plastic, stainless steel insulated, no.